How to add music to Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your Google Slides, and after that on the top you would be able to find the option of Insert. Just simply click on it, and here you can find the option of Audio and Video. In case if you want to upload a music which is on a video and it is on YouTube or any other place, just simply click on this option of video. After that, you can type the URL of that particular video and select it. And in case if the video is on your Google Drive, then just simply select the option of Google Drive, and after that paste the link for that particular video and it should be there. And you can just simply move it back and reduce the size of that particular video in order to hide it on your slides. And in case if you have the audio of that particular music, then just simply click on this option of Insert and click on this option of Audio. After that, make sure that you upload that particular music on a Google Drive and copy the link for it. And after that, just simply paste it on the audio side, and this way you would be able to loop that particular audio for the rest of your slide on this particular Google slide. And this way the audio will be playing up on all the slides, and this is how you add the music to your Google Slides. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.